Retail companies organise to maximise footfall and thus sales. They must lay out their expensive retail temples so that the customer is presented with the maximum of enticing sales offerings. Such companies like Walmart and Tesco perform category management to maximise revenue per square metre. Categories such as fresh fruit and chilled meals must justify the space they occupy. Furthermore, each brand of fruit or meal must justify the shelf space that is given within each category. Retailers need accurate real-time figures on the rate of sales for the many thousands of lines they stock. EPOS data is fed back into a data vault, then sophisticated stock control algorithms reorder before the shop goes out of stock. This is a screenshot of an Asda video case study. It shows that Asda shops get fresh and daily deliveries, that there are regional distribution centres, and that stores are always within 2 hours of a regional distribution centre. Secondly, there's another system of special ambient centres stocking CDs, toiletries and clothes. At this time Asda were stocking around 40,000 lines or stock keeping units. Each store gets between 3 to 7 deliveries per day, and having their own system allows Asda to have their own brand. They use stock keeping unit groups, and to help control it they use the worldwide chain store system. And here's a screenshot of the worldwide chain store system showing warehouse management, purchasing management and order management. It shows an example of a margarine stock keeping unit group. It shows customer service level being set at 99.9% and shows stock control with regards to lead time and review period. Conventional planning fails to recognise that one site's supply orders are another site's demand. Inventory controllers within these sites use unrelated inventory management policies. The result is chaos. Collaborative planning, forecasting and replenishment (CPFR), together with web-based electronic data interchange, can remove industrial dynamics, permitting marketing to marketing collaboration, limits industrial dynamics in supply chains, the bullwhip effect, allows coordination for promotions. Software suppliers are adopting VIC CPFR process standards, and they may use web browser-based XML type EDI. And this is a screenshot from the 200-page CPFR manual, and it shows a flowchart for a given software module. The idea is that in order to allow different modules from different software suppliers to be used together, the interaction between these modules should be standardized. This is the Global Efficient Consumer Response Scorecard, and it shows demand management, supply management, enablers and integrators. Here we have an example of efficient consumer response, where a Belgian supermarket is doing a promotion for Smith's crisps. And this allows cross merchandising of the crisps with soft drinks together, introduction of checkout displays, and a Star Wars related retailtainment event. Altogether, we have reordering systems such as the worldwide chain store system, better handling techniques, i.e. cross-docking, category management, which SKUs or lines to stock, and supplier-reduced category offerings, limiting the offerings from each supplier to the ones which will sell well. Finally, here we have a flowchart of information flow and product flow from customers' wants, planning merchandise, assessing assortment performance, forecasting and ordering, assessing plan versus actual, put orders to suppliers, assessing vendor performance, transporting goods, assessing shipping progress, allocating and distributing goods, assessing goods availability, managing goods in store, effectively affecting sales and in stock, providing sales to customer wants and then repeating the process. So, we have retail companies organising to maximise sales. They must lay out their expensive retail temples using category management so that the customer is presented with the maximum of enticing sales offerings. New developments such as efficient consumer response, ECR, and CPFR are enabling more accurate and efficient stock replenishment. This rapid communication of demand to suppliers eliminates the old problem of industrial dynamics or bullwhip effect. Electronic point of sale EPOS data is fed back into sophisticated stock control algorithms to reorder before the shop goes out of stock. The system allows suppliers to better predict orders from retail customers and operate with less pipeline stock. Systems must cope with promotions and plan for seasonal offerings at, for example, Christmas and Easter.